Should asbestos have been left where it was? Now, asbestos is one of these words that kind of evokes anxiety in people, and for good reason. Asbestos can be enormously dangerous. However, when we notice the correlation between asbestos, which is not singular by any stretch of the imagination, there's various different kinds of asbestos, tremolite, chrysotile, crocidolite, to name just a few. However, in asbestiform, they can be very dangerous, okay? If they break off of this sort of asbestiform sort of morphology, it can be breathed in, it can behave like this sort of borderline invisible particulate that can be breathed in and can cause things like asbestosis. And when we notice the relationship or the correlation between asbestosis and various other sort of respiratory disorders associated with asbestos, we started haphazardly ripping out. However, there were various scenarios in which asbestos was ripped out of kind of ecosystems in which it wasn't really a problem to man or beast, right? So in things like wall cavities where people are not really going to meaningfully spend any time, and where it did serve a very good purpose. Now, asbestos from an etymological perspective, so the root of the word asbestos essentially means unquenchable or inextinguishable, okay? It is almost impossible to catch something like asbestos on fire, which means that as a flame retardant, things like asbestos are actually fantastic. In fact, they're very, very difficult to replace. Now, the problem here occurs when we start ripping out materials like asbestos, which in some situations is a pertinent thing that we definitely should do if it's in ecosystems where people are going to spend some time. However, there were various places that we put asbestos where doesn't really make a great deal of sense to rip it out in the first place because people are not exposed to it. So when they rip it out, what they generally tend to do is they replace it with a material that kind of meets fire regulation standards, but is still not quite as good as asbestos, especially in the context of insulating the general public from things like fire. They replace it with something that in comparison, in a relative sense, is actually inferior in that context. Now, we wrap pipes in various different materials, all of which meet sort of fire regulation, at least in this country. Things like polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene even in some situations. But of course, this is material that in comparison, when compared against something like asbestos, is obviously nowhere near as flame retardant. Now, I hate to use a example which is going to kind of invoke or inflame passions, but it has been brought up several times in this context, and that is the Grenfell Tower incident. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the Grenfell Tower incident, where have you been? Because it was a horrific thing that happened in London. It was a tower block which basically caught on fire, and what really shocked people was the rate at which it caught on fire. Now, this tower block, which I believe dated back to the 1960s, went through sort of an aesthetic regeneration process where they removed material or the cladding from the outside of the material, or the outside of the building rather, and replaced it with what was essentially a cheap aluminium composite, which was based with plastic. So is not a shock really to anyone that it caught on fire and spread in the way that it did. And it was a real tragedy because a lot of people died as a result of this. And it was anchored thoroughly in the fact that they'd used this absolute liability of a material, largely because from a construction perspective, it was just cheaper. Now, the material that they replaced wasn't asbestos. I'm going to make that absolutely clear. However, had it been asbestos, that would not have happened. And I only use this as an example because this is a pertinent conversation that happens amongst geologists and within the construction industry. Although asbestos is a material that does kind of inflame passions and anxiety for good reason, there are probably viable scenarios in which it could and should still be used because it does have flame retardant properties that are just unmatched in this context.